So I knew nothing about clinical research, and we got involved through COVID. We were split into 2 teams and we could only do 1 day a week. So the opportunity came to actually work with the research team on the Valneva trial, which we took up. So I guess my background in pharmaceuticals is really interesting, and it kind of sat right with me, and I really wanted to find out more about what went on in the research side of the hospital rather than being front of house all the time. Yeah, we learned lots. I mean, it was interesting to talk to the guys who were really open and answered our questions as we asked them. It was interesting to see that the people that were coming in, you know, they were picked off the street. There were a different variety of people, different nationalities. And I kind of use a bit of an analogy. And the analogy is that I've always been a button pusher on a computer and something's printed out for me, but I never really thought about who puts that together, that program together to give you that button to push to get that information out of it. And that's where I see research as. And it's really interesting to get an insight into what happens in the background to then go forward to the end user. Yeah, I really did. I think we really felt for the guys coming in. I think, you know, we were front of house again. We were taking them to their individual areas because there was 2 or 3 areas, whether it was seeing the doctor, whether it was going to have their tests or actually having the actual jab. We were taking them all over. So it was interesting to hear whether they were nervous about it, whether they were calm, their backgrounds, put a smile on their face really to make them feel at ease. I think research is the most important thing around the hospitals, and the more research we do, the better it is for us all in the long run. Research is so important, and I would say to any volunteer who wants to get involved, please do, because it's very rewarding. You meet some fantastic people and you will have a smile on your face.